Alright folks, so we've got a brand new bumper in to prep and get painted. It's then going to go onto that Mazda over there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prep the bumper itself. I've just put a bit of fine line tape along the bottom here to protect that lower section because that's going to stay textured. I've heated up the top section to remove any oils that might have been on there, and I have also panel wiped that down with a solvent panel wipe. So I'm actually going to key it up using my little Kovax palm sander or jitterbug sander, depends who you speak to what they call it, and I'm going for some super Assilex 400 on a foam backing pad. You can see this one's well used, and that's going to get me into all those areas that I need to get into and all those curvatures. So right, let's get on with this. So for areas like this where you've got a contour and a tight curve, if you simply move your foam pad further up, that will allow it to take that shape. For any little bits like edges that you might want to get to, just peel it off and you can just use it like a normal sponge sander or foam sander.